When professional technicians put a tool to work, there's no hiding weaknesses. It either cuts clean or it doesn't. The GT.50 Reaper is engineered for controlled power, zero hesitation, and clean urethane removal, job after job. With up to 3,200 strokes per minute from a super smooth brushless motor, the Reaper moves aggressively through urethane without chatter or hesitation. The optimized 0.30-inch stroke is built specifically for autoglass removal, controlled in tight corners, efficient on long beads, and you can see it in the cut. Clean separation, controlled movement, no tearing. The Billet aluminum 6061 T6 sheath clamp is CNC milled in-house to handle daily abuse without flexing or loosening under load. Feather the trigger for precision plunge cuts or run full speed when you need to move. In the shop or out in the field, the Reaper delivers consistent cutting power across real-world conditions. This is the kind of control technicians notice immediately. Cut faster, cut smoother, cut with confidence. The GT.50 Reaper available now at gtglass.com.